Mercedes-Benz Vans builds Sprinter vans part by part. We have invested more than $500 million in this plant, and we created more than 1,300 jobs. Besides this, we assemble Metris vans for the North American market. The Charleston location as part of our international footprint for us is really important, and the atmosphere in Charleston is really something special. People like to come here not only to work at Mercedes-Benz, but they want to work in this region, and therefore we really get the people we need to get on board. We really look for engineer capacity, leadership and passion. We like people who want to be part of a puzzle. It is a puzzle where we really need to work as a team. When we enter this plant, you see open workspaces, you see team members solving problems in a creative way. You see groups together developing, thinking about new ideas and implementing this in our production process. Mercedes-Benz Vans has chosen Charleston because of the close relationship to the community, the close relationship between the different businesses, to be close to the port, and because of the people here in this region. From my point of view, we are really deeply connected. That is something that is really also important for me and for us as a company, that we are not only producing vans, but that we are part of that community. And we're really proud about our partnership with the aquarium, with our sea turtle rescue program, and about our partnership to the International African American Museum. I love to be close to the beach, and I love to work with the people, and I love to work in this atmosphere of passion and looking forward and develop things further.